Hi there everybody, it's Fred Thomas and you are watching All Things Bike. We are having a quick chat with Dr. Krystian Bigosinski of the Orthopedic and Sports Medicine practice at Maine Medical Partners. Krystian, are there some fads or trends or themes that you're seeing in your practice and in your daily meeting with your patients?
Absolutely. I think that there's a lot more high-intensity interval training that's going on, and that's something that has hit the cycling world and endurance sports world a little bit more than it was in the past. I think the thinking in the old days used to be, wow, volume, just got to spend hours on the bike to get faster. And now we've realized that maybe spending shorter amounts of time but at a higher intensity seems to be helpful. So there's something called, for example, 80-20 training or more polarized training, where the idea is that you're spending 80% of the time on the bike at a very low level of intensity, and then that other 20% you're really cranking it up to a very high intensity, and you're not spending much time in that middle ground. And for a lot of athletes, they've noticed that they get faster returns on what they're putting into their training with less training, I guess you could say, less volume, or
more
less
productive
hours on the bike.
and
more productive or smarter, more efficient training, you could say.
Yeah.
So that's one of the big trends that we've seen, and again, that's been facilitated a bit by power meters and folks being able to say, okay, these are the targets that I need to hit for this particular workout. And I think that's really interesting. It's just a very different way to train.
Yeah, I mean, it's productive, and then plus people have less time to work with, and then perhaps there are a lot of opportunities to get on a trainer with a group of people who are all plugged into one big screen, and they're all out there, and it's or they're at a facility.
Definitely,
I can relate to that. That's something that we should all work into our training program. Thank you for talking about it. That was Dr. Krystian Bigosinski of the Orthopedics and Sports Medicine practice at Maine Medical Center. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.